The car was finally inside the garage. For the first time in years, it wasn't abandoned anymore. A 1971 Mustang GT, standing still but not forgotten, he took a step closer. This was the moment where reality begins. Because finding it was one thing, but bringing it back to life, that's a whole different story. He started with a full inspection, slowly walking around the car, checking every detail. The paint was completely worn out, peeling from every corner. Rust had taken over like time had been slowly eating it away. But the structure still held strong, and that gave him hope. Then he opened the hood, and everything became clear. Dust everywhere, old wires hanging loose, hoses completely dry, nothing had been touched in years. The engine looked dead, like it had been silent for a very long time. But he didn't give up. Carefully, he started checking each part. Fuel lines clogged, battery completely gone, oil thick and dirty. Everything needed work. This wasn't going to be easy. But then, he checked the engine block, slowly turning parts by hand, feeling the resistance. It was tight, but not completely locked. And that was enough, because it meant one thing. This engine still had a chance. He stepped back, looked at the car again. From an abandoned house to this garage, it had already come so far. But now, the real journey begins. A lot of work is still left, a lot of time, effort, and patience. But one thing is clear, this car deserves a second life. And it's going to get one. If you want to see real car restoration, like, share, and subscribe. Because this is just the beginning of something real.